Sorry. Seriously? Sure, okay. How you doing? Olivia, good luck on the pregnancy, Olivia.
Please, we get outside.
Alright, Olivia, good luck on the pregnancy. Take care. Alright, guys, not the whole way. Jason, can I get a Super Bowl pick from you? No Super Bowl pick? No Super Bowl pick, alright. That sucks.